Departure American 1260 checking in 3 for 10.
American 1260, regional departure radar contact 1. American 1260, flying 040.
Okay, 040, American 1260.
American 1260, flying 090.
090, American 1260.
American 1260, climb maintain 17,000.
Climb maintain 17,000, American 1260. Departure American 1260 would like to return to Dallas.
American 1260, do you need any assistance?
As of right now, negative. We would just like vectors.
American 1260, roger, clear back to the DFW airport, fly heading of a 180, you can hit 11,000.
180, 11,000, American 1260.
American 1260, continue the right turn heading 200, and just let me know that's the nature of why you need to return.
200, flight controls, and currently do not need assistance.
Thank you, American 1260, how long do you think you'll need the burn fuel for?
Yeah, American 1260, can we call you back once we get set up for the approach? And what runway, please?
For whichever runway you need, probably 35 right or 36 left, or any runway really. It just kind of depends the nature of the whole thing.
Yeah, 35 right will be fine.
American 1260, I'm pretty sure you still have it, but ATIS uniform is current and plan on the RNAV to runway 35 right.
Thank you. Plan on that RNAV 35 right, American 1260.
American 1260, maintain 9,000.
American 1260 down to 9,000.
American 1260, the next controller knows you're trying to work on the issue there. You just let them know any more details when you can. They know you don't need any assistance. They know you're going to plan the RNAV 35 right. You can contact them now on 125.02 2502.
Okay, 2502, American 1260. Yeah, approach American 1260 with you in the descent to 9, setting up for the ILF. Correction, the RNAV 35 right.
American 1260, regional approach, roger. How long do you need to hold out for fuel?
Yeah, stand by. Sir, we would like to maybe get present position hold till we get set up, and we can't take the approach early. Are you ready to listen to our situation quickly?
American 1260, step by just a second, I'll be right back to you.
Okay.
American 1260, go ahead.
Yeah, American 1260, we are going to declare the emergency this time. It's for a flight control issue. The plane's flying fine now. We do have quite a bit of rudder trim. I'm not sure what's going on with our ailerons. We will be landing overweight. We've got probably 3 hours of fuel on board. Total souls is 170. So we got 173, and we'll plan on taxiing clear and going to the gate.
American 1260, and how much longer did you need to hold out, you said?
Yeah, give us 10 to 15 minutes.
American 1260, roger, that's fine. And can you make right or left turns?
Yeah, we can make either one.
American 1260, roger, turn right, heading of 270 for now, and I'm just going to box you around in that area there until you're ready to go.
Yeah, that'd be great. 270 American 1260.
American 1260, right turn heading 360.
360, American 1260.
American 1260, turn right heading 090.
Right 090, 1260.
American 1260, turn right heading of 270.
Okay, 270 American 1260.
American 1260, you can take that turn to slow as you need to.
Copy that.
American 1260, whenever you are ready to come in, would
you like the ILS, the 3-1 right, or the RNAV, the 3-5 right?
Yeah, we're all set up for the RNAV 3-5 right, so that'll be fine.
Roger, that works. Thanks. American 1260, turn right heading at 360.
Okay, right 360, American 1260. And approach American 1260.
American 1260, go ahead.
Yeah, American 1260, you know, for reference, I'm just going to exit the runway and understand we'll probably have the ARF out there to inspect us.
American 1260, affirmative, I'll let them know to expect that.
Okay, so I'll stop shortly after I exit the runway and we'll get the all clear signal from ARF before we go back into the gate.
Copy. American 1260, turn right heading 090.
090, American 1260.
American 1260, turn right heading 180.
Okay, 180, American 1260. And American 1260, we'll be ready for the approach on this box.
American 1260, roger.
And we're slowing at this time.
American 1260, that's for speed your discretion, and we're able to send and maintain the 7,000.
Okay, center discretion down 7,000, American 1260.
American 1260, you want to do one more loop around or head towards the final now?
We can head that way, sir.
American 1260, roger. American 1260, turn right heading 240.
Return 240, American 1260.
American 1260, contact approach on 119.4. American 1260, flighting 280, trying to maintain 6,000.
280, down 6,000, American 1260.
American 1260, descend to maintain 5,000, flighting 300.
5,000, 300, American 1260.
American 1260, flighting 330, intercept the RNAV final approach course.
Okay, 330, intercept the RNAV 35 right, approach course, American 1260.
American 1260, you're 4 miles from Frizz, clear back to Frizz, and cross Frizz at 5,000, clear down now 35 at approach.
I'm sorry, was that for American 1260 emergency aircraft?
American 1260, that's affirmative, sir. You're about 3 miles from Frizz, clear drive Frizz, and cross Frizz at 5,000, clear the RNAV 35 at approach.
Okay, can we just intercept the final approach course, please, for American 1260?
American 1260, sure. Are you ready for an approach plan?
Affirm.
American 1260, okay. And cleared RNAV with 35 at approach.
Cleared RNAV 35 right approach, American 1260.
American 1260, speed is your discretion. Contact DFW Tower at Pope on 135.7.
Okay, speed under discretion, Tower at Pope 13517, American 1260.
American 1260, frequency 135.7.
Sorry about that, 135.7. Tower American 1260 is with you. Inside of Pope, I'd like to request to go around, set up for a longer runway.
American 1260, roger, cancel approach clearance, track localizer inbound, and maintain 2,000.
Okay, we'll maintain 2,000, track the localizer inbound, American 1260.
American 1260, maintain 3,000.
Say again for 1260.
American 1260, maintain 3,000.
Get 3,000, 1260.
American 1260, turn right heading 010.
010, American 1260.
American 1260, heading 010, contact departure at 124.3.
010, 124.3, American 1260. American 1260 is with you, ILS 17 center.
60 DFW Tower, wind 080 at 5, altimeter 3004, runway at 17 center, clear to land.
Okay, clear that 17 center, and after the rollout, taxi clear, and let the vehicle take a look at us.
Roger. American 1260, roger. Do you want to park there, 1260 after you exit, or do you want to cross the runway?
Is Arthur going to follow us?
1260, yeah, if you can keep moving, they can follow you, we can cross 17 right.
Yeah.
American 1260, cross 17 right, Echo Lima, and then just turn left on Lima if you're able to do that. If not, it's no big deal.
Echo